My ugliest dirt lot deal ended up making me more than my first 10 house flips combined. Seriously, just raw land. I've navigated the roller coaster for 15 years, seen markets double overnight in Austin, then freeze solid like Detroit back in 2008. Bought houses sight unseen thinking I was clever, only to find hidden mold farms. Dealt with professional tenants who knew exactly how to exploit eviction laws, costing me 6 months of rent and massive legal fees. Faced surprise foundation cracks that ate my entire profit margin on a flip. The stress is real, believe me. Sleep gets optional sometimes. My best wins weren't chasing those shiny HGTV Renos. They came from seeing what could be, like buying that rundown duplex everyone avoided because it smelled weird. Simple fix, serious cash flow. Tip 1, always get multiple contractor quotes and verify their licenses. Save me thousands. Tip 2, understand your market deeply. Don't just follow headlines. Know the local zoning, job growth, school ratings, and network relentlessly. My best deals weren't listed. Found one talking to a tired landlord at a local hardware store. Be genuinely curious about people. But that dirt lot, man, everyone in my circle told me I was nuts. It's undevelopable, they said. Bad soil, weird shape, terrible access. Bought it for pennies on the dollar because the owner just wanted out. Sat on it for 7 years. Then boom, the city expanded, needed exactly that parcel for a new access road. Forced buyout, massive profit. The biggest lesson wasn't about houses. It was about patience and seeing value where others only saw problems. Don't dismiss the boring opportunities. That ugly land paid for my next 5 investments.